Solitude. They use it to punish prisoners. They lock them in a room with nothing but white walls. Supposedly it is the lack of human interaction that leads to mental anguish. But did Thoreau go mad when he was living in a cabin alone near Walden Pond? Or did he find company in the trees, the wind, and the birds? So maybe it is a lack of connection to the world around oneself that is the true source of anguish. Those of us who ride are no stranger to solitude, but solitude isn't always a choice. We might lose something or someone, to break up, to divorce, to death, or a global pandemic might limit our mobility and restrict our access to community, leaving us in our solitary confinement chamber. But what if you could look around and notice the trees, the wind, and the birds around you, whatever that may be for you? Solitude isn't the absence of anything. It is the presence of time. Time to learn how to change your fork oil. Time to understand how a bike's transmission works. Time to explore parts unknown, both internally and externally in the world around you. The motorcycle prepares us for times of solitude. It shows us that we can move forward, live in the present moment with what is right in front of us, to find the trees, the wind, and the birds, or the curvature of the roads, the trace of motor oil, the blending of man and machine, the opportunity for inward reflection, the realization that the road we are on will bring us to the latitude and longitude we were meant to arrive at. I find it wholesome to be alone the greater part of the time. To be in company, even with the best, is soon wearisome and dissipating. I love to be alone. I never found the companion that was so companionable as solitude. Thoreau.